and today I'll be presenting the final version of Journal Pro in front of you. Me and my team have developed it very with very love and care, and this is the end result which we have. So let's start with the coding part first because as it's the last bit, I think I should like explain the coding. So yeah, so this is the main activity, which is just the splash screen. This is the splash screen, by the way. This is a splash screen, just the main activity, nothing else. So it's just like it will just take the player sorry the user to the login class. All right, so we'll go to the login class now. So this is the login class. We are using Firebase for the backend. So basically, what this is doing is like if we have a user who wants to log in into the application, so this code will create a user, will just log in the user if the user is not already created. Yeah, if the user is not already created, so it will go to the register activity. There is a small link where you can go to like register. No, I think it's a button. Yeah, it's a button where you can like go to register your account. This is the register activity. This will create the user and it will also create this what is this called the account for the user. Yeah. So after registering or login, will be redirected to home activity. It is basically the bottom navigation we have. We are using fragment layout inside of it. We have four fragments as of now: the general fragment, the nodes fragment, the scheduler fragments, and the setting fragment. Yeah. So it will just take us to the fragments. Basically, by the way, the default fragment would be the journal fragment, which I have coded over here. The replace fragment function will replace the fragment inside of the journal, inside of the home layout, home activity. I mean, so yeah. So let's start with the journal first. Sorry, this is the journal model. A minute. Journal fragment. So this is the journal fragment which we have created. So yeah, this basically it allows us to create, update, delete, and edit the journals. So this is like not the we have like used journal recycler view. Sorry, just a recycler view. I have a generic recycler view which I am using for the nodes and the journal adapter, and I have the same mode. What is this called? Save menu items for them as well. So yeah, we are just creating, and we are like just adding I mean, the adding and deleting is inside of the journal RV adapter and model most for the most part. But yeah, so when we have to create, then we can click on the plus icon. So we have this. For whenever you click the plus icon inside of the journal, we'll go in the create activity, which will just create and like share the data with the Firebase so that the user can come back to the application and write his own data inside of it here. Then if he wants to edit, then we have edit. Sorry, this is the event edit. I'm so sorry. He can go to I think it was the update activity. Uh, Details activity. I'm sorry, detail activity. It is the details activity. So basically, it is just we can delete or edit the data inside our journal and notes, and then we'll have our notes fragment layout. With this fragment layout is responsible for like editing, deletion, creation, and addition of notes. It is using the where is that? Common create activity and details activity. Yeah. So we have the RV adapter for recycler view adapter for journal and notes as well. Yeah. And we also have their models. Yeah. So after that, in scheduler, right? Schedule was the most complicated fragment we have in our system. So we have scheduler fragment inside of it. We have used calendar view where we can set. Hello, Professor. This is Akshit again. This is our app General Pro, and this is a splash screen. So my recording in the last recording was stopped. Don't know why, but it was stopped somehow. So it's alright. Like let's just start with this the application. Yeah, let's click on this. I'll just click. Okay, yeah. By mistake, I double click. Sorry. So I'll just go back from here. Yeah. So let's log out first because I want to show everything from the start. So we'll just register. I'll register my new user. My new user is this is my username and password. Yeah. So this is our general screen. This is the note screen. I'm recording, so the app might crash because my system is very slow. This is my scheduler screen, and this is the the profile screen or the settings screen. So first, let's start with the general screen. So yeah, this is the general screen where we can search, create, delete, edit, and update the journals. So I'll just create a new journal for right now. Create a new journal. First of all, we'll just add our title. Should be null, and my journal would be Akshit is the coder. So I'll just create this journal for now. And the update is successful. I'll just go back. After going back, I'll this null is over here. When this null is over here, now I'll just click on this and I'll get options to like delete or update it. Let's delete it, and it will ask you, are you sure delete data can't be undo? So I'll just delete it. So let's go to the notes. I have like these all test subjects inside of this. So yeah, it is the same as general screen. So now I'll go on the update. And the update. Sorry, I'll just go on the scheduler. The scheduler is we have the scheduler. It's like a calendar view. So first of all, we can like go on any date wherever we want to. So in order we can create events inside of it. We'll just go click over here and we can create events on any day we want. So like we want to create an event on 31st or 31st of July. I want to make an event and I'll go on new event and I'll add a title like shift. I'll add an event. Then I want to add a new event class. I'll add one another event in this like I'll just add grocery. Yeah, and all of these events would be shown over here. I'll be notified. I have like a notification class for them, but for right now, it was not inside of the proposal we gave because like I'm planning to like make it a full-fledged app after the course. So yeah, I'll be like implementing notifications in it. So first of all, for now I'll just go back. So after going back, we just have one more thing left. We have the settings tab, which we have our user photo, our name, our tagline, edit profile, dark mode, and logout. So dark mode is under like construction right now because we need a lot of hex codes for it. So yeah, we have not created it yet, and edit profile is just like editing your user and username and general sorry tagline. And then we have the logout button. You just click on the logout button for now, and yeah, we'll be redirected to the login page. Yeah. So this is basically it for our application. Yeah, and thank you for watching the video. And yeah, so yeah, this